what's up, viewers? We're back in my channel, and today, it's raining. Yeah. It's very rainy. I think you can see it, but I think you can, but it's wet. No, it's wet. So that's why it's, yeah, raining. Don't believe me. Hey, at least the plants get watered. Free water. Okay, my phone is gonna wet. I'm just gonna wipe it. Yeah, I did not wipe it fully, but as you can see, today is a very bad weather. I think I should leave because the grass is moving and there's a lot of rain. Yeah. Oh, damn. Oh, no. I'm gonna tell my mom that I'm here. Yeah. This is something. So if you're in Canada and kind of live around here, be safe. And then I think the rain just went down, but I'm not gonna second guess myself. I'm just kidding. I'm going in. Oh yeah. Yo. Yo. I'm wet. Okay, my phone is wet, which is great news. Yeah. Damn, it's shiny. Oh no. Yeah, this is the condition now. So if you're in Canada, stay safe. And I guess if Mickey Mouse would say, toodles.